running.
December compact up a quarter of 1 at 351. And August soybeans up 10 and a quarter this morning at 866. November compact up 23 quarters at 8 down to 2.5.
Yeah.
December cotton up 42 points at 63.7.
Water's got half of Adams blocked.
Market's open on this Monday. Have a great day. I'm Ed Richards on the Radio Oklahoma Networks.
Look over there.
Yeah. Rushing under the road. Okay, well, they've got Adams closed here and they're diverting around.
Yep.
Probably diverting up to Nowata.
Lowe's is still open.
Yep.
Down there.
Man.
Water on the road there.
Yeah. Lowe's is probably staying open for emergency. They're probably going to stay open to the last instant. Yeah. That's for sale.
That's for sale.
I don't know. Stilts even saved them this time.
No, it's right at the bottom. It might be alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jeez. And this was down yesterday.
Mm-hmm. And now you've only got about 1.5 feet, 2 feet of the goalpost showing.